Outliers, The Story of Success, is a book written by Malcolm Gladwell. It explores the factors that contribute to high levels of achievement and success. In the book, Gladwell argues that personal talent and hard work are not the only factors that contribute to success, but that there are many other factors at play as well. One of the key themes in the book is the idea that culture and upbringing play a significant role in shaping our abilities and opportunities. Gladwell uses numerous examples to illustrate the ways in which our cultural and environmental circumstances can shape our chances of success. For example, he discusses the role that growing up in a particular community or having access to certain resources can have on a person's chances of achieving success. Another important concept in the book is the idea that successful people often put in a significant amount of deliberate practice in order to achieve their goals. Gladwell argues that it is not enough to simply work hard, but that it is important to focus on specific areas of expertise and to put in the time and effort needed to master them. He advises readers to identify their areas of strength and to commit to deliberate practice in order to achieve success. In addition to discussing the role of culture and deliberate practice in success, the book also explores the concept of opportunity luck. Gladwell argues that many successful people have benefited from fortunate circumstances and opportunities that have helped them to achieve their goals. He advises readers to be aware of these opportunities and to be prepared to seize them when they arise. Overall, Outliers, The Story of Success, is a thought-provoking and insightful book that offers a unique perspective on what it takes to achieve success. It is a message that is particularly relevant for today's generation, as many people are seeking to understand the factors that contribute to success and to identify the steps they can take to achieve their goals. By applying the principles outlined in the book, readers can learn to recognize the role that culture, deliberate practice, and opportunity luck play in achieving success, and can take steps to maximize their chances of success. And that is the summary of Outliers, The Story of Success, by Malcolm Gladwell. Subscribe for more daily empowerment videos. Empower yourself today. Thank you for watching.